There we go. Hello. Hi. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi, it's me. It's Andy. The sun is so bright that my tinty glasses are changing. Welcome to Maple Shoulder, the show. We're gonna do a 10-minute code jam, and in this jam, I'm gonna just do some code for 10 minutes. A theme that was recommended to me was Diggin Holes. I have an idea. I've been playing with text message. Wow. You know what? You can stop looking at me. There we go. Set 10 minutes on the clock. Over the weekend, I was at Dice last week, so I didn't do some streams then. But I was fiddling around with altering vertices on meshes, and I think I might be able to dig a hole. I might be able to actually get that done in 10 minutes. I'm just going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to just wipe this scene, and I'm going to get that camera out of there. Oh, no. See, I don't want to spend all of my time just doing crap. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I want to make an attempt at digging a hole. I want to dig a hole. Digging a hole is super fun. You just grab a shovel and dig a hole. In this case, I think here's what I'm going to try to do. You get a mouse click is a shovel, maybe that, and you click and we deform a mesh at where you click, and then we make a thing. We make the thing go. We make a hole in the ground using math and things. So, for context, I have not yet done. I made a very simple, like, rolling waves, just sine waves kind of thing, and that is the limit of my experience altering meshes on the fly. I'm probably going to spend 6 of the 10 minutes trying to figure out why it's not working, but let's just do it. Let's just give it a try. And the first thing I'm going to need to do is make a plane. And if we look at the plane has got, oh no, where am I? Is it because I have this thing on? Ugh, you know what? Pause. I should be seeing, oh, is it just in here? Shaded wireframe. Boom. There we go. Okay. Unpause. Right. So these are the vertices that I'm going to be working with just on this plane. Nice, easy, simple. And I want the game camera to actually be lined up with this view. Boop. Oh, that looks very different. Why does that look so different? Is it because it's orthographic? Boom, perspective. There we go. Okay. Now, first thing I need to do is, you know what? I'm just gonna make I'm gonna make the Deform Script first, and I'm just gonna apply it at 0, 0, and then see if I can make it work just like that. And I'm gonna need all the time I can, so I'm gonna pause the timer real quick, and I'm going to open my code editor, which I forgot to do again. It gives me a chance to have a sip of tea. Astringent. I let that steep way too long. Here's Miss Maple. He doesn't like being picked up like that. Okay, I'm not going to update my code IDE. All right, ready to restart? Here we go. Okay, I have 9 minutes to deform a mesh, and that is all. Now, how do I get access to the mesh again? That is... Oh, come on, recompile. Seriously? Okay, I just want the mesh filter because I want this plane right here. And I'm going to say mesh filter equals get component mesh filter. Boom. Okay, so now I have the mesh filter, and then I'm going to say, I'll just put it on a keyboard input right now. Spacebar? Spacebar? And I like Maple's hogging the camera now. Okay, so mesh filter. Oh, I need the mesh, right? No, I need the vertices, which is vector 3 vertices. And then I'll say What am I doing here? Vertices is going to be the mesh filter, mesh vertices. So now I'm just storing a copy of them, and then I'm going to take. I need a function to find the nearest vertice to a location. So. Okay, so 0, 0, simulating the mouse click at 0, 0 right now, and then I want to say for each. Yeah, I keep saying vertices instead of just vertices, and it keeps throwing me. Okay, so I need to find the nearest match. Oh no. Oh no. No. I'm doing a bad job. I'm getting confused. I'm going to have to use a for loop with an I count, and then I need to remember the index because I need to reference the actual Oh no, vector 3 is passed by. Okay, what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take the first one. So int target index, I'm just going to say 0, and then I'll just figure that out later, and then I'll say versus target index y is the height minus equals dig depth, and dig depth is going to be no, I don't want 0, I want like 12 arbitrarily. Dig depth, and then I can say mesh filter mesh vertices equals vertices, so that'll recalculate that, and then I need to get component mesh collider, and then rebake, recalculate, how do you is it bounds dot okay, you know what, the collider is going to be broken. How about that? Okay, so this should at least work. When I hit spacebar, vertex 14 should drop by an amount, and that amount should be, oh geez, 5 minutes on this already. I'm going to drop it by 0.2. Okay, let's see if that goes. Please go. Oh, there it goes. Number 14, digging a hole. All right, digging a hole. Okay. So I'm gonna get a coordinate by doing a recast, right. Vector 3 recast, mouse cast position, whatever that means. Okay, and then I need to take a vector. What is it? No, mouse cast input dot mouse position is a vector 3, and I want to do a recast. That's on the screen space. How do I convert to screen? What? How do you screen? Oh no. How do you get? Okay. I'll count this in my time. Badoop. Unity get mouse position in world. It's been a long time since I've made a 2D game. Camera.main.screen to world point. How about that? Easy. Okay. Camera, main, screen to world point, input, mouse position. Boom. See, Google makes everything easier. Okay, only 3 minutes left. This is going to be very tight. Now I need to do physics recast. And the ray is going to go from mouse location, and it's going to go in the direction of the camera's looking direction. Can I just do that? Is that all? And then, oh no, I need the actual, was it out hit? How do I get the, I don't just want a bool, I want, oh geez. It's just returning if it hit. It's not returning where it hit. Come on. Come on. What if I just type out? No. Query trigger interaction. Cast array. Length max distance against all colliders. What? Why? It just returns a bool. I want the whole thing. Oh, out. Recast hit info. Oh no. I'm just gonna spend all my time trying to figure out What? I don't want to spend all my time trying to remember how to do a recast. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, what if I do recast all, and then that returns all the hits? Pull physics. And origin. Oh, this is my worst jam so far. Okay, cool. So I got all the different hits. Greater than 0. Oh, point. I'm just going to return the first hit point. Okay, so now I can get the mouse's location in the world. So target location is going to be mouse cast position. Then I need to iterate over all the vertices and find the nearest one, which is going to be nearest. And whoa, float distance equals infinity, and then 4. Equals, oh, I should really be reusing. Only 30 seconds left. Vertices length and oh no, what's that? Oh no, if versus I. No, that is the position. Oh, geez, come on. Think. Not enough T, obviously. Target location. Vertices I. Okay, I did a really bad job. What I'm gonna do, I don't often do this, but I think I'm close. I think I'm off by 2 minutes. So I'm going to just start a stopwatch, and I'm going to see if I can solve this with an additional 2 minutes. Because being able to judge your own ability to get these things is good. Good. Yeah. I think I could do it in 2 minutes. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm just trying to say that. Oh, I just got really hot all of a sudden. Oh, it's the sun. The sun's streaming in onto my face. Okay, so this is very unperformant recalculating this each time. Distance equals target location minus vertices I magnitude. And I could easily just do square magnitude and really make it way better, but I don't have time for that. And nearest equals versus I. Okay. And then instead of target index, I'm just going to use if nearest it's not null, then I'll just say nearest.y minus equals dig depth. Okay, there we go. And then boom. Right? That should be it. Oh, can I not make it null? Can vector 3 not be null? You know what? Let's just throw errors. Let's not do an error check. There we go. What? it might not be initialized. Ah, come on. Okay. So that should be it. Come on. Let's compiler errors. I forgot to do a return. Let's just return 0. Okay. Now it should work. Look at that, right at 2 minutes. Is it working? No, because I wasn't I wasn't actually I'd never put in code for mouse click. Okay, camera.main isn't working, probably because camera isn't named main, so I'm just going to do a public reference to camera, and then I'll just do cam right there. And then I will say if input mouse, get mouse button down. I think mouse button 0 is the left mouse button. Okay. And then I will manually just put the camera reference in here. Boom. Okay. Now? No. No, it's not working. Why is... Oh, because I didn't change this reference too. I think that counts. I think this still counts 2 minutes. Come on, I do it. I'm feeling really down on myself today. Like it's just not clicking. I'm not feeling it. And look, it's not even doing the thing, and probably because it's just returned 0. Or is mouse button down? Maybe it's int 1. I thought it was 0. Maybe it's just not hitting it, but then it should just be reducing 0. Come on. Do a thing. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying. But none of those vertices is moving. So it's making it all through here. It is decrementing the nearest. Oh, is it not assigning it? I'm just gonna set nearest index. That's gonna make an error. Nearest index equals I, and then I'm gonna say vertices nearest index. I bet that's it. I was adjusting it, but I was adjusting it in the wrong spot. And the nearest is not being used anymore. That's okay. Where'd my Unity scene go? There we go. Okay, let's try this again. But there we go. Look at that. Now it's working. Let me just rotate this light a bit. Get a shadow going. Oh, come on. Which way is this light going? Get a steeper angle on there so you can actually see the what's happening. Can you see what's happening? You can't see what's happening. Well, you can see in this view. Down button, Q. Yeah. See, I dig a hole. I dig that hole. Look at that hole being dug. It's digging in the wrong spot. Yeah, I don't know why. It's digging in a random spot each time. I don't know if that's my recast position is wrong or not. But hey, look, I can just instead of get mouse button down, I'm gonna just say get mouse button. What? Why would you do that? And then I could just hold down the mouse button and do a big dig. Look at that big dig. Boop, burp, 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 burp. Fun. Look at me deforming a mesh in real time. Ugh. Okay, that took an extra 6 minutes, and it didn't even behave the way that I wanted it to. Blah. Okay. Let's do a post-mortem on that. I spent a lot of time trying to figure out real basic shit. I was feeling really bad about that whole thing. But I was exploring something new. This is my first time like deforming a mesh in real space like that. That is something definitely new for me. I think this jam needed an hour for me to really look at all the different like to actually dig into Recast hit again and to dig into Vertice manipulation. And I forgot if vectors were passed by reference or value. Value apparently, like, oh. And I need time to debug. So I need time to debug the mouse's position or my math on finding the actual location of the click. So I got a bunch of things that I need to fix on there. But it's close, right? Like, I think if I just had another 20 minutes, I could have done it. All in all, I would say that one of the reasons you do these little jam things is you figure out in your own head, like you make a list of things that you think you can do in 10 minutes. And in this case, I failed hard at what I thought I could do in 10 minutes. And that is good. I learned a thing. I was overestimating this morning. It took me 16 minutes to do it bad and wrong. But now I know. Now I know. And exploring something new is always going to be a little bit harder. Next time, I'll do a lot better job. And I shouldn't beat myself up over it too much. I'm feeling really down on it. I don't know why. I shouldn't feel really down on that. I should feel good about exploring something new. Maybe I just need a new cup of coffee. That's probably what I need. All right. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you another time.